Alright, as we are done with creating our web portfolio, now it's time to publish this. So let's see how to do that. So on your right upper corner, you will see a button called publish. You just have to click that first. Once you go to this website, you can see your site is published and live online. And then if you want to see your website, you can click on view site, and then you can see what's your link. So basically there will be a part of your email address, and also here you would have the web portfolio you have created and the name you have given for that as the web page. So let's click on let's go to the upper menu. In order to see more details about getting your custom URL for your web portfolio, let's try to go to site and then my dashboard. Right, once you are in your dashboard, there's a setting coming up at the home page called connect a custom domain. For an example, let's say you want to get your own website, right? So let's call this john-smith.me, something like that, right? So I'm gonna press let's go. Right, they say johnsmith.me is taken, right? So if you already have this domain with you, you can connect your own domain to this web portfolio. But otherwise, let's say you want to get .com or .online, something like that. Let's say for now you want to get johnsmith.online because .me is already taken. So let's press on that and see. Okay, they say this website is available. Now let's see how to get that. You just press get it. Ready to make johnsmith.online yours. Upgrade your site first, so you will be able to assign it to your domain. So let's see how to upgrade that. Right, so after that you will have to go on the purchases and then you can proceed on that. So for an example, let's say select, and then you can pay monthly as well. Otherwise you can figure out like getting a domain from some other third-party website and then to publish that. So you can decide however you want to publish that. But let's say for now you just want to use the free version and then to use a domain that is already provided to you by wix.com itself, then the best way is to just use this publish. And then once you go to view site, you can copy this link. If you want to send your portfolio to someone, you can just share this link, and then that's easy as that. And I hope this tutorial helped you on publishing your web portfolio. Now that we have come to an end of this video tutorial, and we wish you best of luck with your web portfolio and hope to see you on another course. See you.